World War Force, and today we're going to be checking out every single one of my boats. Now, I did not get no help getting these boats. I did it completely by myself. I built all the boats completely by myself. And if you don't believe me, then don't believe me. I don't care if you believe me or not. But still, as I was saying, I built this beautiful aircraft carrier. Let me just add some more sticks. You cannot find this in the shop, and you can even see how it's played here. And I don't know, misplaced the wing right there. Okay, let's just say. Okay, bro, now that's saved. So I'm going to be drawing all of them and showing you them. So first of all, if we go down here, we have some more airplanes. In here we have an airplane model. And then we have a jet. Then we have another jet that's missing its wings. And then we just have a classic roadblocks. And we have to make a classic roadblocks thing. These jets can get in, so yeah. Pretty cool if you're asking me. And if you just walk up, and then if you just come up here, we have the driver's seat over here. Let's go and watch it. Oh yeah, by the way, we have some truck tires back there, and that little red thing is my finger, that's what's called the tank. Yeah, this one is my first. So this is the first one off the lid. Please don't tell me that's what. Yep, it's what I think it is. It's those pooping dogs. Oh, that stupid little guy's trying to shoot my boat. Okay, but that's the aircraft carrier. Now we're going to get off to my second one, the cargo ship. This thing took me up to the cargo ship took me up to 3 hours to build. Now, but the aircraft carrier only took me 1 hour to build, but the cargo ship took me 3 hours. Because this thing was pretty hard to make. Plus, with how tall it was, I didn't even know if I was going to make it. It was hard. I'm ready to make it. I didn't know if I was going to make it tall enough or short enough. Because I got the height that has to make it. But I ended up getting it. I was meaning to make a cargo ship that cargo could sit on the top of it. How some aircraft carriers have those little things, they have planes inside them on the elevator. I figured that would kind of be realistic, because, cargo ships can have elevators too, right? Bro, he must be done. Okay, but anyways, we have the rope securing these little metal things. I don't know what they are. Then we have another rope, and then we have the Russian flag, my favorite country. Then here's the cockpit. It's a basic cockpit. And if we go down here, we have some crates. The crates, this is massive. Now we get to my Star Wars plane. Not my Star Wars plane, but my plane. My fighter jet. It's the red one on the aircraft carrier. It's the exact thing on this one. No, I'm just going. Yep, that's the red one. Bro, I miss the Russian duck submarine. I had to replace the Russian duck submarine to build something, but I can't remember what I replaced it for. Okay, back to my back to my back. Okay, let's just go. I'll just walk at this point. That was just fun. Oh god, it's skibbity toilet. I mean, there's really nothing wrong with a skibbity toilet, but still. Wow, is that supposed to be red? Yeah, probably. Yeah, who cares if it's furry? I don't care. Okay, so this is my plain, well, my fried drink. It's very, very good. I like it. This is very good. I absolutely love this thing. I mean, it's easy to build, but still, I think, from my perspective, the Star Wars is cooler than it. And I'm surprised that the Star Wars only took me 3 minutes and 42 seconds to make it, or however long that video was. And yeah, if y'all want to know how to build this thing, just go watch my video, and I'll show you how to build a exact replica. Oh, come on now, that's messed up. You can't just do that. Yeah, now we have my Star Wars spaceship. It looks very, very, very cool. I like it. We're going to put it in full speed. I mean, full throttle. Okay, I'm going to slow it down to 30 miles per hour to land it. But we're going to speed up until we get there to 11. But we're going to speed down now. Okay, we're at speed 30. Don't ask why this thing does have no landing gear. Then we're just going to slow it down more and land it. That's the landing that goes down if you want to see the slowest thing. Okay, next, my tank. Oh, by the way, my custom vehicle does. But luckily, I did have an older model. Of it. And the older model, I'd say, was about like from 5 months ago. So yeah, I had to get rid of the amphibian to get the to build the cargo ship. So yeah, plus I'd always build an amphibian. I can't remember if I posted this as the amphibio or whatever, but because the original video I took the track, because the original they had no track, so yeah, it's a magnet still for me. When you can look the amphibio up, you'll see that it's, and no one has it. Yeah, we're going to turn up and stuff. We're just going to be down that. We got the little propellers back there. Yep, too easy to drive. Okay, well, next to my battleship. This is one of my old builds, so it may not look as cool as my other ones. It's old. So yeah, I still like it for the build. This one turned out pretty good. Now this, I might not ever remodel it or make another version of it because this one took me a while to make. You know what, now I'm going to remodel it. So, well, at least the outside of the front. I can't remember that. Let's see. Yep, that would be perfect. Okay, bro, forget about remodeling this thing. This is the battleship island, that's all. For this one with the Bible.